Next step, we're going to go ahead and install our brackets onto our joists, okay? And we're going to show the outside rim joist and then an interior joist, okay? Our brackets, there's one side that's a little narrower than the other, okay? So on the outside rim joist, we're going to take the wider portion of the flange, okay? And we're going to go ahead and tighten that against the end of the joist, okay? Once we've done that, using a small impact tool and our recommended self-tapping framing screws, we'll go ahead and put that in and we'll set it in place. Now be sure to fill all holes. All right, now we're ready to install.
At this stage, I'm going to go ahead and mark the top of my flashing so that I can go with my layout and follow, because I'm going to be installing a screw down through the flashing, which is going to go into my joist. So I want to go ahead and get that laid out and marked so that that screw doesn't walk on me when I start putting the drill in. Now I'm going to go back through on those marks. I'm going to actually take a punch the hole, and that way my screw won't walk when I put the drill to it. Now I'm going to go back through and I'm going to fill those punches with silicone so that when we go through with the screws, it'll actually seal that flashing point. Don't need a whole lot, just a little dab will do it here so it seals the interior.